I've been refilling my sanitizer container, so I just put some sanitizer in there. Also listening to Christmas music. Anyway, so yeah, and I should probably go put some gas in, even though it's almost at 3/4 of a tank, but I'm kind of crazy. Is anybody else like that? Even though you've almost got a full tank of gas, but you don't want it below like the F, and you don't want it below like a certain level? Just me? Okay, well, see you guys in a little bit. Bye for now. Hey guys, quick update. Me and my little sis Sam are gonna be making some cookies. So we're just gonna follow the recipe that's on the back of this. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but I'll list it in the description below. So these ingredients, hopefully you have already in your pantry or fridge. So we got some semi-sweet chocolate chips, we got some flour, brown sugar, some imitation vanilla extract. This butter is already salted, but if you can find the one that's unsalted, that would be probably better. But this was the only one Walmart had because pandemic issues, and of course eggs. So if you guys are like me and love your sweets but don't want all the calories, I also use Splenda instead of regular sugar in a lot of my cookie recipes, which I will be hopefully adding to a lot of these vlogs in the next month. One of my favorite things that we actually have in this kitchen is this hand mixer from 1964, and yes, it still works. I'm not joking, guys. Another update, guys. So I just finished making the cookie dough and now we're gonna go make some cookies. Guys, quick update. I just got the cookies out of the oven. They look like a hot mess, but if you can tell, there's already 2 missing. We already tried some, so I'll just continue baking them and then I'll update soon. Quick update, it is about 5 o'clock right now and we just finished dinner. I'm helping my sister clean up the kitchen. I'm also making some tea because it is really cold right now, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, quick update. I was just on my phone on Spotify and the Spotify Rap 2020 thing came out. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. Anyways, this is my top artist thing. ABBA, of course, came in #1. What else is new? Carpenters are actually at 2. Carlene Carter, and then Charlie Pride running up at #5. I only listened to Spotify for 2,823 minutes this year, which is kind of surprising. Top genre is country. That one was kind of a shocker, but not really when you got Carlene Carter, a little thing at #1. But I just wanted to show you guys that. It also looks really pretty, that ABBA picture. I just thought I'd end the vlog here, and thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed baking cookies, and just follow me around. I know it wasn't that exciting, but of course with the COVID pandemic, we're just trying to keep ourselves safe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!